Welcome to 1516 Symphony Circle, situated in the beautiful Trilogy community within Brentwood, California, surrounded by vineyards, olive trees, and rolling hills. This popular Costa Dorada model features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus an office or den. The updated kitchen offers quartz countertops, shaker-style cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy some relaxation in the serene backyard with Japanese maple, fig, and citrus trees. The outdoor gas fire pit is a perfect place to enjoy a glass of wine and good conversation. If you're ready to live in luxury within the Trilogy community that offers several clubs, pools, spa, wine tasting, concerts, dinners, and much more, then this is the home for you. Come enjoy a tour with me.